Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So let's get started. So here we are in Instagram, and from here what we're gonna do is that we're gonna tap on our profile on the bottom right of our screen, right here. And then from here what we're gonna do is tap on our followers or following count right there so that we will be able to see the followers and following. And this is the most legal way to do it. So just go into the followers, and from here you can see if that person has unfollowed you, because you won't be able to see them right here. I know this is very basic, but yeah, in case you don't know, then this is how you do it. And then you can also go for following. And from here, you can select a person right here. So for example, I want this one right here. And then from here, what I'm going to do is tap on the three dots on the upper right. And from here, tap on see shared activity. And from here, I can see if this person has followed me, because I can see the date right here. As you can see, followed me on June 2019. And I also followed this person on June 2019. So you can see the date right here. And then the next thing is, for example, let's select someone who hasn't followed us. So let's say this one. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to tap again on the three dots on the top right and tap on see shared activity. And from here, you'll be able to see that this person doesn't follow me right here. And you can see the date that I followed this person. So that is basically the very easy way. And yeah, because there is no other legal way to do this unless you're using third-party apps, which I absolutely do not recommend, because it would put your account into risk of hacking. So do not do that. Instead, just do this method right here. Because there are some apps that are third-party programs that will let you get notified when someone unfollows you and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.